Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 12th March 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father is now sustaining you, teaching you and advising you whilst you are sitting at home. Therefore, continue to take advice at every step, for only then will you claim a high status. Question. In order to be liberated from experiencing punishment, what effort do you have to make over a long period of time? Answer. That of becoming a conqueror of attachment. Let there not be any attachment to anyone. Ask your heart, do I have attachment to anyone? None of your old relationships should be remembered at the end. Settle all your karmic accounts with the power of yoga. Only by doing this can you claim a high status without experiencing punishment. Essence for Dharana. First is, without worrying about anything, establish your incognito kingdom on the basis of Srimad. Do not be concerned about obstacles. Let it remain in your intellect that those who helped in the previous cycle will definitely do so again. Do not worry about anything. Second is, constantly have the happiness that this is now your stage of retirement and that you are to return home. Make very good incognito effort to become soul conscious. Do not perform any sinful act. Blessing for today. May your intellects have full faith and calm down any fearsome problem. Details are, just as you have faith in the Father, in the same way, have full faith in yourself and also in the drama. If any weak thoughts arise in you yourself, they will create sanskars of weakness. Therefore, do not let germs of any weakness of wasteful thoughts enter you. At the same time, experience benefit in whatever scenes of the drama you see, even scenes of upheaval. Even if the atmosphere is one that shakes you, even if the problems are fearsome, become constantly victorious by your intellect having full faith, and the fearsome problems will then calm down. Slogan is, those who love the Father and service receive love from the family automatically. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Adopt the culture of truth and good manners. Just as the belief of all the different religions is that God is one, in the same way, when the sound spreads that there is just one true knowledge of God, that is, there is just the one path, then the wandering of souls to the many types of small supports will end. People now think that this too is one of the paths, that it is a good path. However, ultimately, there is only the one introduction of the one Father and only the one path. Spread the wave of this introduction of the truth and the power of this true knowledge, and all souls will then be able to take support under the flag of revelation.